Folks are usually about as happy as they make their minds up to be. Whatever you are, be a good one. Do I not destroy my enemies when I make them my friends? America will never be destroyed from the outside. If we falter and lose our freedoms, it will be because we destroyed ourselves. My best friend is a person who gave me a book I have not read. My concern is not whether God is on our side. My greatest concern is to be on God's side, for God is always right. I'm a success today because I had a friend who believed in me, and I didn't have the heart to let him down. Books serve to show a man that those original thoughts of his aren't very new after all. Those who deny freedom to others deserve it not for themselves. In times like the present, men should utter nothing for which they would not willingly be responsible through time and eternity. Whenever I hear anyone arguing for slavery, I feel a strong impulse to see it tried on him personally. And in the end, it's not the years in your life that count. It's the life in your years. Those who look for the bad in people will surely find it. I don't like that man. I must get to know him better. I am not bound to win, but I am bound to be true. I am not bound to succeed, but I am bound to live up to what light I have. When you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot and hang on. No man has a good enough memory to be a successful liar. Be sure you put your feet in the right place, then stand firm. When I get ready to talk to people, I spend 2/3 of the time thinking what they want to hear, and 1/3 thinking about what I want to say. If there is anything that links the human to the divine, it is the courage to stand by a principle when everybody else rejects it. Those who write clearly have readers. Those who write obscurely have commentators. Nearly all men can stand adversity, but if you want to test a man's character, give him power. The ballot is stronger than the bullet. A nation that does not honor its heroes will not long endure. The best way to predict your future is to create it. It is better to remain silent and be thought a fool than to speak out and remove all doubt. The best thing about the future is that it comes one day at a time. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I will spend the first 4 sharpening the axe. If you are going to fight, don't let them talk you into negotiating. But if you are going to negotiate, don't let them talk you into fighting. Elections belong to the people. If they decide to turn their back on the fire and burn their behinds, then they will just have to sit on their blisters. Thank you for watching. Share your favorite quote in the comments below, like this video if you found it inspiring, and subscribe for more timeless quotes.